today we're gonna be installing something on the 240 that I've been keeping for a while. I just haven't gotten around to installing it. It was actually the first thing that we painted when we were testing the color for the 240. Here's one side. Let me go find the other one. And here is the other side. So these are the mirrors that we're going to be installing. They're Bomex mirrors, and what's super cool is that they're also electric, so we can hook them up after we install them. But they're supposed to be for Blaine's S14 back in Hawaii, but he just hasn't gotten a chance to put them on. I just noticed though that this part is gray, and I think it'll look better black, so I'll probably just spray paint it real quick before we throw it on. So earlier today I dropped the car off to get alignment, and they just called me to pick it up, and cause it's just me, I'm gonna take the little baby out and go pick it up cause it fits in the back, so I can just throw it in. So let's go. Also, Blaine's car needs gas. I'm gonna go grab some for him.
Open the door.
Okay, come on then.
Why is this here?
Cause I gotta get gas for Daddy's car.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Put your seatbelt on.
Okay. Yeah. So mommy is filling the gas into whatever that container is. We're gonna be heading back home. I'm just wearing my daddy's shirt.
So we got some gas in here. Should be good to go. Quite a tank. Yeah. We're good to go. So Blaine's car has gas. I had to run to the store again just because for some reason the passenger side needs shorter screws than the driver's side, so I had to go get a little bit longer ones for that one. So I just ran out and grabbed some. Now we're ready to install everything. Here we go. This is the piece that I'm most scared to take off the door every time I have to take it off. Because this one seems like it's gonna crack. This is probably my favorite tool that we own. Found a screw that fits, so I'm trying to see if it can tighten down. Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it fits. So I just wanted to go get some double-sided tape just so that way I can stick the mirror on. connect anything yet. So I'm gonna leave that one for now and start on the driver's side just to take everything off. And then we can figure out how to wire them. Super cool. I was kind of skeptical about it working, but yeah, they work. So I'm just gonna put them on, take the old ones off. Wow, they look so good. They actually turned out a lot cooler than I thought that they were gonna look, but it looks really good. Let's see the other side. Whoa! I like them. Okay, let me see if I can get some B-roll in. Oh, this is what fell down. I was wondering why it's so dark in here. This fell off the ceiling. I'm so stoked on these. The mirrors are on and it looks really, really good. So now the mirrors are on and it looks really good, but I'm gonna need to pack up the truck because we're gonna go to Oregon tomorrow.
Did you see that? That's the shooting star. I got it. Guys. If you tell, I'm so happy. I know. Guys, look. Mommy.
So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, for rocking with us. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.